Little birds, a little bit of sunshine, a little bit of light is out. Pretty big waves here. Always hard to see on a camera, but steep for sure. So I'm in the process of reorganizing the boat for proper downwind sailing. So the sails go in the back. The stack is already up ballasted in, the foil is down a bit. We have more keel cant. We are day 3 instead of stone jib. And the next thing is going to be a reef out, and then the day 1 tide, the jib top. This is all going to happen today while the wind is ebbing off, and we see about the sea state how fast it lets us go. And I enjoy these little moments outside. I don't know if you see on the video these little birds. I don't know what kind of species it is, I would love to know. I've seen one big albatross earlier. Beautiful. Spectacular nature. And even the light is kind of fascinating. I guess after 10 days of total grey and some fog, any light is just fascinating. Yeah, earlier we had already more sea state. Some waves breaking over the deck. So have a good Wednesday. Cheers.